Hi there. Today I'm going to tell you something about how to write PHP code in your blog, in your posts, or your widget, or anywhere else in uh, where you want to put a little bit of PHP code, and how do you go about it. So uh, there's a very nice plugin for that. You go to the first you log in into your dashboard account with the admin privileges, and then you go into plugins and add new. Here you go, exec and type exec php and search for the plugin. As you can see, there's an exec php plugin available which will allow you to write your own php code inside your blog post. It's a very common question, that why do you need to know a little bit of php when you can always rely on html to do most of your tasks. Well, it is a good question, but the fact is that PHP is the real engine behind your blog. HTML is just a front end, and sometimes you need to do things that are not possible through HTML, because HTML cannot go back to your database and extract data and make operations with that. So it's important that we learn a little bit of PHP. So let's go ahead with it. I'm going to install this execute PHP plugin now, and let's see how it is going to help us in our work. I just activate the plugin. It's a standard process, and now it's there. And if I go to the settings, I I can see there are some things, unless until there's a big problem which PHP plugin will tell you. You don't have to do anything here, just go back. Don't even um, uh, change anything, don't even save changes, just go back. And now you are ready to install, to write PHP code in your blog. So how to do it? So let me give you an example. We go to the appearance. Let me add a widget for you. A widget is like a box on the right hand side where you can add your content or anything else. Okay, so I'm going to add one text widget for you, and let's check out how it is going to work for you. PHP code is uh, very simple stuff. It is always written like this: question mark PHP, and then there is code, and it gets closed like this. So basically it's very simple to write, but what are you going to write here? So let me show you something on or this. For example, you want to say that echo is something to print it on, the print a string on the screen. So let's write echo, this is a blog. Okay, so enclose it in a quote and then add a semicolon at the end of it and just save it. Close it, and let's now see blog, what changes we have added. Let's move it a little bit up so that we can see whether it is doing the task that we have asked it to do or not. Okay, so I just take the blog, and I'm just doing it on test blog, but you can utilize it on your. Okay, so as you can see, it has been echoed. So your PHP is working perfectly fine, and that's it. That's your basic PHP uh, example. And for other examples, we'll check out later. Thank you.